Good afternoon, family and friends. I'm Paul Field, and today I'm not a happy camper. Before I explain to you my dilemma, let me tell you what does make me happy. And that is knowing each one of you that have subscribed to our channel, each one of you that watch our videos, and those of you that like and comment on the videos. That makes me very, very happy. As Gomer Pyle says, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's get over here to the topic of our conversation today. Brand new dresser. Nan just purchased these a week or two ago. I think last week we got them in, and she put the clothes in the drawer. This one here came fully assembled, and I think she told me it's about $329, $330, something like that. Well, earlier this week she starts taking clothes in and out, moving the drawers in and out, and lo and behold, one of the slides that allow the drawer to move in and out caught. Is very hard to open and close, and it caught, and you can see right here when it caught, it bent this little keeper and several of the ball bearings fell out. Not sure exactly why that occurred, other than you can see some little wear marks on a 1 week old dresser. Where this is shiny, that's where it's rubbing metal to metal when it was coming in and out, which says it was probably in a bind and the drawer was not aligned in there correctly. Additionally, these are not your top end drawer guides or drawer slides. Kind of frustrating. You spend money on an item and you get 1 week of use out of it, and then it messes up. Now you say, well, Paul Field, why don't you just package it up and send it back where you got it? That's an option. Then I'd be out looking for another piece of junk or piece of furniture of less quality with cheap drawer guides in there, or I could buy me a set of higher quality drawer guides and install them myself. So that's what I'm doing today. I've already installed the new drawer guides in this bottom drawer, and I'm going to replace them in these other 4 drawers. But I want you to look at this brand new drawer, and this side over here, see how that's moving in and out? That means it hasn't even caught or latched on the frame side or cabinet side slide. This is a cabinet side and this is a drawer side. The two of them haven't even connected well. See, that's connected. See how it's not wobbling? What's happening right here? It's not even connected. That's how it came to us. This drawer down here, I don't think you can see that yet. This drawer here, we've replaced the slides on it already. Look at that, it moves in and out like it's supposed to. So now I got to do these 4 sections. No, I'm not happy. You buy something and you got to rework it. So I'm going to show you what I've done over here with, first of all, these slides or guides in here. Got to move them, slide them out with these new type, and then we'll have to replace the ones on the drawer. So the original drawer guide came out to about right here to where this white and dark wood intersect or meet. With the new drawer guide that I'm putting in, it's called a full extension, so I've got to bring it out almost to the face. I'm going to leave 5/8 of an inch, which is what this dimension is here on this drawer. The drawer face, that's about 5/8 of an inch. So I'm going to back my guide up about 5/8 of an inch right here. Right there, and set it in. So let's do that. Okay, so I got the new new cabinet guides on both sides. See how smooth that is? Alright. Now then we're going to replace that black drawer guide with these silver ones. Well, just one on each end. Let's get that done. Okay, so we got the side rails replaced. I'm having to adjust them up and down to get my gap the same on this end as it is on this end. So I've adjusted these rails a couple of times up and down, but I've got it where it'll slide in good now, and it stays flush across there. So you got it in. You see the gap here, and the gap here is very close to the same, if not the same. I'm going to go back and adjust this drawer too, get it the same. So it's taken about 30 minutes on each drawer, and I think these 5 pair of these slides was between $30 and $60. I can't remember now. I got them online, but it was in that range somewhere. But I think it was around $50, $10, $11 a pair. But anyway, you can see how this drawer functions real well versus this old raggedy slide, that old raggedy slide. Hear that dragging in there? You don't hear that here. That's the difference in quality of slides. Okay? Alright, so this is my Friday. This is what I'm going to be monkeying with here. I'll get this one adjusted and rails replaced on that. So until next time, and by the way, I'm not that upset. It's just frustrating when you spend money for something that you think is going to turn out to be a good product. And the cabinet is good. It is a good cabinet, sturdy cabinet, and it is a good wood cabinet. Just the inferior slides, in my opinion. Okay? That's my opinion. So I did want to change them out. Well, I had to. I had to do it because this slide here is still good, but it will eventually fail. And wound up looking at that one with the ball bearings gone. And then the drawers are not functional to slide in and out. So until next time, God bless. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you guys' continued support. And until next time,